What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We got to go over Dogecoin today. I know you've seen all this craziness going on in the market with Dogecoin. Dogecoin doing huge parabolic numbers. So we're going to talk about why, and we're going to talk about what this means for the future of Dogecoin. So anyways, hit the like button, subscribe. Really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Botto Algo link in the description. Use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Now, let's get straight to Dogecoin. So what I do want to mention here with Dogecoin, you can see the second Elon Musk started talking about it, we had this huge jump. Huge. Look at that. The second he just mentioned one thing about Dogecoin, we hit a supply and demand area, the green area, showing more demand. And then boom, automatically huge jump in price action with Dogecoin. And then we are coming off of a little bit of an oversold area after the huge, rise inside Dogecoin, which was heavily overbought. Now that you're seeing that the oversold area is coming out, now you're seeing that we're going up here on the oscillator, showing that this is actually bullish movement because now we're having less selling, more buying, even after the fact that Elon Musk made the tweet. So this is usually how things happen after Elon Musk tweets about Dogecoin. It goes huge, crazy, has a big drop, but then after it starts to grow naturally. So this could actually help us out a lot. You can see the 24-hour market control now in control by the bears by 60%. It used to be 100% bearish, so now it's only 60%. So that's definitely good. Elon Musk did some really good stuff here. But something else I want to mention here, we did get rejected at the supply and demand all the way up here around 21 cents. We were having problems trying to get to 22 cents. But let me mention something. Before Elon Musk made this whole talk about Dogecoin, he tweeted first that he was going to accept Dogecoin, right? He tweeted over here that he was going to accept Dogecoin, and he actually did it on his actual Twitter. So this is just a post from Dogecoin's thing for Time Magazine. Time Magazine labeled Elon Musk as the person of the year, pretty much. So he talked about Dogecoin. He mentioned he's going to be using it, like accepting Doge with Tesla. So he's going to be doing that. And he also mentioned how Doge is better than Bitcoin and how, it just works better. It's a better thing for a form of payment. But anyways, over here, you can see Tesla will make some merch buyable with Doge and see how it goes. So he made that whole talk on there. We're trending on Twitter as well as seeing Dogecoin to the moon. Remember, he's also going to be sending a Doge 1 rocket straight to the moon. So Dogecoin is literally about to go to the moon. This is about the Dogecoin is going to take off after this. Like, a lot of people don't realize this, but Dogecoin is like one of the top cryptos, and it's a meme coin, yes, but it's one of the top meme coins. So you can't count Dogecoin out because it doesn't have utility. Like, there's a lot of things you can use Dogecoin for, especially with now Tesla accepting payments in the near future. We're going to be able to buy merch through Tesla and eventually cars through Tesla. So there's a lot going on for it. So shout out to Elon Musk for this. He's making some really big moves here with Dogecoin, and he really helped Dogecoin out today. Dogecoin is just going crazy right now. You can see we're actually up 20% for the last 24 hours. So yeah, the last day, 20% 6% in the last 7 days. So we're knocking out some of those losses from the last week. But still, we're doing some good numbers here in Dogecoin. Dogecoin is probably one of the highest, percentages for gains for today. So this is really big for crypto right now. So shout out to all the Doge army, all the Doge family, the people that didn't lose faith in Dogecoin, because a lot of people lost faith in Dogecoin. But yeah, Dogecoin is still going to be doing good things inside the near future. So yeah, Elon Musk declared pretty much that he's going to be involving Tesla and Doge. He's going to be accepting it, made Doge go off. Everyone's talking about it in all their articles now. People who probably weren't too big on Dogecoin talking about it. This is on Complex. This is over here with Forbes. So yeah, everybody's talking about Dogecoin and Tesla and about the whole Time magazine, all that stuff. And actually, before all this stuff happened, analysts were actually predicting that Dogecoin hit 8 cents. And it was actually pretty accurate that this would happen if something didn't happen like this. And I even mentioned the only way we're going to have some huge parabolic growth in Dogecoin for right now in the short term is if we get Elon Musk talking about it. And what happened? Elon Musk talked about it, and now we have huge parabolic growth in gains. So this is something that could really set Dogecoin on another path. Now we may be going onto a bullish path if we can really turn this around for the crypto market. Now, also, this is also pretty good for Bitcoin because, people are going to look at this as a positive thing for crypto in general. Like, everything in the crypto market right now is trying to recover. There's a lot of recovery going on. So the fact that this is happening now, this is definitely very good. We may only get down to 40K now with Bitcoin before we go on the next bull run instead of 30K. A lot of people were predicting 20K and 30K for this crash, but now it may be a lot higher. So we definitely have a lot of stuff going on here. So this is the prediction that they made pretty much before the whole talk about Elon Musk and Dogecoin started to happen. So this says 3 reasons why Dogecoin price could crash to 8 cents. So Dogecoin price is on thin ice from a technical pattern perspective as it hovers around the 15.9 support level, which is 15 cents 0.159. So a breakdown of this barrier could lead to a 50% crash to Doge all the way down to 8 cents or lower. So they're pretty much saying if we go below the 15-cent support, which is the 15.9, so if we go below that support, then they're pretty much saying 8 cents is imminent. So on-chain metrics indicate declining interest in Doge, supporting the bearish outlook. But now you see the interest in Doge is actually increasing. A lot of bears are now leaving Dogecoin. The bulls are now coming into Doge. So there's a lot of good stuff that's happening with Doge, just with this tweet with Elon Musk, just with Elon Musk talking about Dogecoin on Time Magazine. Like, that was one of the best things that could have happened with Dogecoin, and especially since there was no hype leading up to this Time Magazine article. You know, what happened with Saturday Night Live, there was too much hype leading up to it. So what happened is Dogecoin just started to rise in price action. It was just starting to go crazy, parabolic before the actual event. So people were building. It kept building up. The momentum kept building up. But the second the actual Saturday Night Live day happened, it sold out because by the rumor seller news, it was news that was going to happen. People knew it. No one knew that Elon Musk was going to talk about the Time Magazine today, which is why we had nice rise in price action today. But yeah, that's why we went down. And hopefully next time Elon Musk rolls anything out about Dogecoin, he just does it out the blue and doesn't, roll up to it, because then the momentum is going to build up and then it's going to dump on the day. So even with the Doge Rocket 1, the Doge 1 Rocket, he's probably going to have some lead up, hyping it up, like Doge 1 Rocket about to launch, all that good stuff. And Dogecoin will pump all the way leading up to that Doge 1 Rocket launching. And then when the Doge 1 Rocket launches, then the whales, they'll start selling out. The other people, they'll start selling out. So that's usually what happens. But anyways, you can see over here, Dogecoin price needs to tread lightly as it is on a vital level, a breakdown of which could lead to a steep correction. This crash could take Doge back to levels last seen at the start of 2021 bull run. Therefore, investors need to pay close attention to the meme coin over the next coming days. So Dogecoin price extends bearishness. Now they're talking about this before all this stuff started to happen. But now you can see over here with Elon Musk, now that Elon Musk is talking about it, now they're all bullish with it. So now it says Elon Musk reveals Tesla will accept Dogecoin payments, which is exactly why we're going up. So Tesla accepts the Shiba Inu themed cryptocurrency Dogecoin as a payment method. Dogecoin price is up 15%. Well, now we see that it's up 20% because of this bullish news. Elon Musk, Tesla's billionaire CEO, believes that Dogecoin is better for transactions. Pretty much that's all that he talked about there. And then, yeah, as you can see, Tesla open to Dogecoin payments. We're about to see some good stuff. He said Tesla will make some merch viable with Doge and see how it goes. He said that on Twitter. So we have a lot of good stuff for Dogecoin. But remember what they said before that. This is all good and all with Elon Musk talking about Dogecoin, but if he stops talking about Dogecoin, if the crypto market keeps having FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt, and the fear and greed index still shows that there's more fear, and we still have more, FUD in the crypto market, there's still more variance, there's still more infrastructure bills, there's still more taxes on crypto and stuff. And then you can see Bitcoin go down to possibly 40K or 30K, and then that would lead Dogecoin down to the support that they're talking about. If we go below the 16-cent support pretty much, that's when we end up hitting the area where it's at 8 cents, whereas that's major support. So anyways, Dogecoin price exudes bearishness. Dogecoin price crashed 7% on December 13th and produced a daily close below 16 cents. If we could stay above 15.9 or 16 cents, we'll be good and bullish. So anyways, this decent mark, a breakdown of the 16-cent support level. It pretty much marks that, and then that has kept the Dogecoin price action bullish since April 23rd. So the recent price action has indicated a flip of this barrier into a resistance level and theoretically triggered the potential for a massive crash. So the volume profile for 2021 shows that no support level could sustain a crash except the 0.086 area, which is 8 cents, and the 7 cents barrier, indicating a 45 to 50% decline on the cards for the original meme coin Dogecoin. So the recent breakdown of the 16-cent foothold, therefore, is undoubtedly a bearish development. A failure to set up higher highs will confirm that this is a potential crash for Doge. And pretty much what you're seeing here is the 16-cent support is one of the major supports that we have. So even when Elon Musk talking about us, we're good. We're good now. We're at 19 cents. If we continue on an uptrend from here, we'll be even better. But if we go back down here to this supply and demand area below 15 cents, you can even see there is less demand for Dogecoin. Now you can see that the green shaded areas are becoming very, very lightly shaded, which means that there's less demand at those green areas. So this means that Dogecoin at those areas is going to be in less demand. So people are going to be buying it less and selling it more, which is going to take the price down to 8 cents. So they're definitely right that if we go below 15 cents, 8 cents is next. So definitely want to watch out for that. So a failure to set up the higher high will further confirm the potential descent that awaits Doge in a highly bullish case. The point of control at 5 cents could serve as the best barrier to preserve the downtrend. A retest of this will occur after Doge sheds 63%. So if Doge definitely hits that area, then it will have so much demand and momentum for Doge that it will just go straight to the moon. Now, you can see over here, on-chain metrics reveal waning interest in Doge. So the second reason why Dogecoin price could witness a brutal sell-off is from an on-chain perspective. So the immediate support level for Dogecoin price ranges from 16 cents to 5 cents here. Roughly 325,000 addresses purchased 2.76 billion Doge at an average price of 7 cents. Interestingly, these levels coincide with the ones obtained via the volume profile from a technical perspective. So this further reinforces importance of the 16-cent support floor. So over here, you can see the number of new addresses joining the Dogecoin blockchain has reduced from 159,000 to 22,000. Yeah, that's a huge decrease actually. But you got to think, on April 16th, we were still leading up to Doge Day 420. Everyone was buying Dogecoin, so it's obvious that we won't be that high. So there still is potential here for Dogecoin. We just gotta turn the other way and just not look at all the technicals and stuff and just look at the fundamentals. Doge is about to be literally be sent to the moon. Every time Elon Musk talks about Dogecoin, it rises 20%. Like, this is a no-brainer to definitely go into. So remember, I'm not a financial advisor, none of this financial advice, but like, if the richest person in the world is literally all in on this one thing, then I'm all in on this one thing too. So anyways, further building on this line of reasonings is the 85% drop in large transactions with $100,000 or more, blah, 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 pretty much showing that Dogecoin has less demand pretty much. So on the other hand, if the Dogecoin price recovers above the 16-cent support level, investors can breathe a sigh of relief. So that's pretty much what we're seeing. We're above 16 cents. We're actually at 19 cents. We already hit 21 cents. So supposing increased buying pressure propels Doge to produce a daily close above 21 cents, it will create a higher high and invalidate the bullish thesis, which we already did. But we're not still above 21 cents. Now we went down to 19 cents. So we got to stay above 16 cents, because if we go below 16 cents, then we're back into our bearish scenario. We got to stay up. We need one more tweet from Elon Musk. We need some mentions from Elon Musk. We need the whole Doge army to stay strong. We need this to, rise. So in this situation, investors can expect the FOMO to propel the Dogecoin price to continue its ascent and retest the 30-cent hurdle. So if we can get more FOMO on a Dogecoin, we could defy the whole crypto market. Like, Bitcoin can continue to drop to 40K all at once. Bitcoin can continue to drop to 30K all at once. But Dogecoin could rise. Dogecoin could rise to 30 cents. Dogecoin could rise to 40 cents. If we can keep this momentum going, if we can keep on doing the same thing that we're doing now, if we keep having Elon Musk talking about Dogecoin, if we keep having the Doge army talking about Dogecoin and holding everything together strong and having FOMO for Dogecoin, fear of missing out, we got to have a huge rise for Dogecoin up to 30 cents and above. So that would be what we have coming up inside the near future for Dogecoin. And ever since that, all that has happened, with Elon Musk, people have been FOMOing into Dogecoin, like they said. So this Dogecoin whale came in with $1 billion, $1 billion, literally. This Dogecoin whale came in, and that was today. This Dogecoin whale came in today with $71 million. So, or actually came in today with 75.9 million, but now they're down to 71 million. But still, they're probably gonna hold it until they're on the upside, and they probably have some good, they probably have some good conviction that they know that they're gonna go on the upside with Dogecoin. But anyways, over here, $76.7 million is what this whale came in with earlier today. Now they're at 69.1 million. This Dogecoin whale came in earlier today with a whole of 42.7 million yesterday, actually. 42.7 million yesterday. Now they're at 51.7 million. That is a literal mansion in their pocket. That's $9 million. They made $9 million in one day. One day, well, $9 million off of Dogecoin. This is crazy right here what these Dogecoin whales are doing. If you get in at the right time, then you're going to make the right profits. So this Dogecoin whale has been progressively buying in, but after Elon Musk made that announcement, they bought even more Dogecoin. So there's a lot of potential here, and the whales are noticing that, and they're doubling down on it. But anyways, this is all I really have for you all today. I just wanted to go over this and let you know my opinions on what this means for Dogecoin with the whole Elon Musk and accepting it, and Tesla accepting Dogecoin. Like, this is about to be huge. This is about to be one of the biggest things inside Dogecoin. But anyways, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. definitely hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. And also leave a comment in the comment section and let me know exactly what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description. Use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. And if you want to help support the channel, definitely go ahead and send a donation through the Cash App or PayPal donation link in the description. It'll be greatly appreciated. And as always, I'll be back with another video. Peace.